We'll start this project with a large brush and yellow paint. Starting from the bottom, we'll cover about 1/3 of the artwork. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in orange paint to cover the middle of the artwork. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in yellow paint to blend orange and yellow parts of the artwork. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and cover the rest of the artwork. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in orange paint and blend red and orange parts of the artwork. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and black paint. We'll start by creating a large oval in the lower part of the artwork. We'll paint 2 straight lines. Next, we'll paint semicircle under each line. Now we can paint in the rest of the oval. Our next step is to paint 2 triangle ears. After creating an outline, you can paint them in. Now we'll add a line between ears and head. Next, we'll make parts that are sticking outside more rounded and thicker. Next, we'll paint a question mark shape starting from left ear of the cat. To paint another side of the head, we'll connect tip of the head to the right ear of the cat. Now you can paint in this shape. We'll paint 2 lines under cat's head. Then we'll paint in between those 2 lines. Next, we'll paint cat's wavy tail. After switching to a small brush, you can dip it in black paint and add 3 thin whiskers on one side and 3 whiskers on the other side. Next, we'll paint black part of an eye by creating an almond shape and painting it in. Then we can repeat the same step on the other side. Next, we'll paint a thin line hanging from the tip of the head. To paint a spider, we'll paint a small black circle and 3 lines on each side. Then we'll add a smaller circle below it. You can use small brush to make ears a little more pointy. After washing and wiping your small brush, you can dip it in white paint to add highlights. We'll highlight the head by adding couple brush strokes on the edges. Next, you can highlight cat's tail and ears. We'll add 2 small dots in each eye. You can highlight cat's body and face by adding couple white brush strokes next to the edges. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.